Holy F, a new blocking spree starting right now in my comments. I can't even live my effing life for a few hours without you needy nosy morons wondering where I am. Guess what? None of your business. LMOO effing winter is gonna come for my car being a mess, when you all already know I'm a slob, ha ha ha. How is that desperate clout chasing coming? You wish you could come anywhere near my fupa, you baby hair, diaper breath transphobe, black garlic eating poser. And now back to irrelevance for you, except for thirsty loser haters, of course, who will always give you attention. Have fun living in my shadow, kissing face. Go sponsor bought a grain at the convoy COVID spreaders. Anyone want a Zupashat Roman some money for some Manuka honey for his bitter ass? LMAO. Hugbox incoming, you negative energy vampires. F you. Never unblocking. Always the same morons horny for F-ups just waiting. You ain't getting shit in block Lamau. Ridiculous as usual. No excuse.
Alright, I wanna live in freedom. I wanna dance with my demons. I wanna drink for no reason and celebrate every season. Yeah, call my place the kingdom. Cause I got what you need.
Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like what you see, please buy my merch. Link in the description below.
Yeah, I hate it, I love it, I'm aimless and honest, feel weightless, I'm on it, cause I've